Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 8th of February. And today we basically opened right where we closed at yesterday, and we chopped around a little bit before we went higher, only to fall much lower. We took two trades out of the market today. Maximum profit potential, we were working in 4 points or 16 ticks. Actual trades made inside the room were 3 points or 12 ticks. First trade we took, we grabbed a long right over here, and we rode that up, taking low profit off the table, and then we moved our stop up, and then the market did come down and take us out. So we made 2 points on that trade, and then we watched the markets. We grabbed a long down here, up here. We grabbed along and waited and took a low profit off the table here, moved our stop up, and then got that taken out, and watched the markets move lower, and then basically watched this form over the next few minutes, and the room closed right here. So taking 3 points out of the market, not a bad day. Looking at $50 per point, you're looking at $150 on the day. So not too bad at all. I'd like to encourage everyone to check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market, and I'm passionate about that market. Our members are passionate about that market. So it definitely makes it an awesome time to be able to talk about the markets and share what I'm looking at, how I'm seeing things set up, answering questions, and just having a great conversation with everyone in the room. And it's definitely pretty awesome. We focus on trading. We talk trading all day long. During the day, I like to show my charts, and I talk about what I'm looking at, talk about levels before price gets there. So that way we all know what we're talking about. We're all in sync together, and can function as a room. And then after the room closes at 12 o'clock, I'll go over my charts, what I'm looking at to set up on the remainder of the day, the next couple days sometimes even. And it gives us a lot of time to be able to talk about things and how we see stuff setting up, and it definitely gives a great forum to be able to talk about trading. Trading is definitely a very lonely game, and having this room has definitely given me an opportunity to be able to talk to other traders about trading, and also to be able to teach what I know, and to give back, so to speak, to help other people achieve success, the way I've achieved success. Except it won't take as long, because I will be teaching them. When I learned, I had no one teaching me, so it was a very long process. But it is what it is. It was very good for me, because I learned a lot of things what not to do, and a lot of things what to do, and it was definitely interesting for me. But anyway, check out the website. I know trading is not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. So I encourage you to check it out. You may or may not like it. If you like it, great. If not, thanks for trying it out anyway. Definitely appreciate the support. Thanks for watching this video, by the way. And it's definitely pretty cool. So appreciate all of that. I want to go over the news for tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be a very, very big day, because everybody is talking about Greece right now. Is Greece going to fold, or are they actually going to be able to come together, make a plan, and do something about it? So that's one thing everyone's talking about right now. So 7:45 tomorrow, European minimum bid rate, probably going to keep interest rates at 1%. I don't really see why they would raise them. And then at 8:30 we have the ECB press conference. If they don't mention Greece at all, it's a lot of people are probably going to start heading for the exit doors. We also have U.S. unemployment claims. Unemployment claims, they're looking for 380. The prior number was 367. Jobs have been a little bit better in the U.S., so that should be interesting to see what is going to happen. And before all of this comes out, we do have the UK talking about what they're doing for their minimum bid rate. Um, Everyone's focused on Europe and the unemployment claims, and that's what I'm going to focus on. If the UK comes out very negative, then people are probably going to expect Europe to be very negative, and that would make tomorrow probably a catastrophic day. So that's going to be interesting to see what actually does happen. So that's what we're going to be watching for. During the markets, we have the U.S. wholesale inventories. Not a huge number, but it will be interesting, especially if it coincides with everything before the market. Wholesale inventories, they're looking for 0.4%. Prior reading was 0.1%. And then natural gas at 1030, no bearing on the ES, or, practically none, I should say, since nothing's 100%. But they're looking for negative 82 billion, and the prior was negative 132 billion. So that's what they're looking for there. And, it should be an interesting day. And then we have a ton of Chinese news coming out. Chinese are the growth area of the world, and that's why that matters. The U.S. are the stable. You have the U.S. dollar. It's stable. It's not going anywhere. And the Chinese, that's where the growth is. Everybody is watching them for the growth. If they slow down, the world slows down. So that's why that's going to be interesting. But anyway, that's the news for tomorrow, and we'll go with that. And it'll be a very interesting day tomorrow. It was a very interesting week this week, and for those of you who were in the room this week, it was an interesting week. It was a lot of fun. A lot of news came out, and it's a pretty cool time. Pretty cool time. But we'll leave it at that. If you're watching this video right now, if you enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way, everyone. Definitely appreciate the support. Everyone have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Thank you.